let's get ready for the test tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, so both of the symbols K and C.
Oh, I'm so itchy. Oh.
Transition metals. Oh, what is that? Oh, Max, you're getting your skin flakes all over me.
I'm sorry, my skin's peeling. I got sunburn at the beach last weekend.
Stop scratching it, Max. You'll make it worse. I can help you fix it. For dry, flaky skin, all you need is Aloe Vera Gel. Just take some aloe vera and apply it to the affected area. The aloe vera helps you retain moisture. Check it out, Max.
Oh, thanks, Lily. Now my skin won't flake anymore.
No problem. Let's get back to studying. We have to ace this test. Okay, so transition metals have many uses in our society.
Lily, you have to help me. Look at my face. I look terrible.
Whoa, Stacy, you're breaking out so bad.
I know, and I have a date later. I can't let him see me like this. I have to cancel.
Whoa, Stacy, don't cancel. I can help you. To get rid of your pimples, all you need is brown sugar and honey. Put honey in a small container. Now add a spoonful of sugar and stir. Now use the back of the spoon to apply it to her face. Honey is great for healing acne, and brown sugar is a gentle exfoliator. Now wait 15 minutes, then you can wash it off.
Wow, my skin feels so soft now. Thank you, Lily.
No problem. Don't forget about your date though.
Right. Bye, Lily.
Bye.
Hey, Stacy.
Oh, hey, Max. Whoa.
What? Is there something on my face?
Are you okay, Max? You have huge bags under your eyes. Look.
Really? Oh, I can't go on a date with Lily looking like this.
It's okay, Max. I know what to do.
Okay.
To get rid of bags, all you need is mint and water. Put some mint leaves in the bowl and mash them up. Now add water and keep mashing. And now that the mixture is ready, just put it on your eyes. Leave the mint on for 15 minutes. When you take off the mint leaves, your bags should be gone.
Oh, my eyes feel so refreshed. Thank you, Stacy.
Oh, no problem, Max.
Hey Max, are you ready for a date?
Oh, yeah. Here, this is for you.
Oh, thank you. Oh man, I need to take this off and fix this.
Lily, are you almost done? We have to go.
I messed up my makeup and there's no more wipes.
Don't worry, Lily. I know what to do. If you're out of makeup wipes, all you need are cotton pads and olive oil. Just pour the olive oil into a cotton pad.
Wow, Stacy, you're a genius.
Don't say that.
Okay, let me redo my makeup and I'll be ready to go.
Okay, sounds good. Oh my gosh, Lily, these nails are so pretty. Can you do mine like these, please?
Of course, I brought all my nail stuff.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited.
Let me see your hands. Oh, Stacy, your cuticles are really dry. I need to fix them. To restore dry cuticles, all you need is chapstick. Rub the chapstick over the cuticles. Let it sit for 5 minutes. The chapstick should help re-moisturize the skin.
Oh my gosh, they look so much better. Thank you, Lily.
No problem. Let's paint your nails.
Yeah, let's do this. Hey, Max.
Hey.
Meeting.
Whoa, Stacy, why are you scratching your arms so much?
It's a new jacket. It keeps irritating my skin and I get so itchy.
Here, leave it alone. I know how to help, okay?
Okay.
To help irritated skin, all you need are oats. Add some oats and warm water into a bowl and mix it up. Once it's a thick paste, it's ready for application. Make sure to spread it around evenly over the affected areas. Leave it for 10 minutes and then you can clean it right off.
Wow, thank you so much, Max. My arms feel so much better now.
You're welcome. I'm gonna finish making dinner.
Oh, let me help.
And now to touch up my cheeks. cover these acne scars. My makeup's ruined. To help get rid of acne scars, all you need is a potato. Cut the potato into slices. Put the slices on top of your acne scars. Now wait 15 minutes. The potato slices will help your scars fade. Yes! Now my makeup will look flawless.
Alright, now all I have left is lipstick. And now for my favorite color lipstick. What? Oh man, lip gloss? Seriously, is chapstick the only thing I have for my lips? You can use chapstick and blush to make your own lip tint. Dip your chapstick into the blush and apply it on your lips. Alright, I'm ready to go. Oh, the color's so pretty.
Once it's a thick paste, it's ready for blah blah blah. Blue.
My line. My line is...
Oh, my eyes. My eyes.
Oh!